Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Move to iOS on your Android and updating WhatsApp. This ensures compatibility. On the Android, open Move to iOS and follow until you see a code. On the iPhone, begin setup until you reach Apps and Data and choose Move Data from Android. Make sure both devices are on the same network and plugged in. Once you have the code, enter it on Android. This launches the transfer of accounts, settings, and the WhatsApp export bundle. Now focus on WhatsApp itself. Create a fresh local backup on Android Settings Chats Chat Backup so the app packages recent messages and media. Once the Move to iOS session is active, the tool will detect transferable apps. Select WhatsApp to include messages and attachments. The Android app will prepare an export file and hand it to the iPhone over the private connection. Let the transfer complete without interrupting. This may take minutes or longer depending on media size, so be patient and keep screens on. Finish iPhone setup, then install WhatsApp and verify with the same phone number you used on Android. When launched, WhatsApp will detect the transferred data and show an option to import. Tap Start and allow it to finish importing messages and media. Once complete, your chats appear in place. Make sure to grant permissions for photos and contacts. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to restart both devices, confirm iOS and WhatsApp versions, reconnect to the same network, and repeat the Move to iOS transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.